What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to replace the spark plugs on a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 4-liter. Tools you're going to need: ratchet, extension, a 13mm socket for removing the coil, and your 5/8 spark plug socket, and a spark plug gapping tool. For parts, we're going to run Autolite 985s. They're just a copper plug. That's what was in there from the factory, except they're champions. I will list these and the champions down in the description, along with the tools. All right. With any spark plug, you want to check the gap. For these, it's going to be 35 thousandths. You have your gap ring spark plug, slide in the small side, roll it up. We're at about 28 thousandths now. These are copper, so they're a little more robust. You can kind of just tweak it until you're about 35 thousandths. Once you're under the hood, to remove the coil, there's 4 mounting bolts. One is back here under the heater hoses. You have to move the heater hoses, and there's a bracket that holds the wiring. You have to pull that back out of the way. Once the bolts are out, you got your heater hoses out of the way, you can actually grab the coil and release it and just position it out of the way so you can get the spark plugs. One there, one down there. There's 6 of them all along there. Once your coil's out of the way, you use your ratchet, extension, and your 5/8. Pull the spark plug out. Usually I break them free and then just spit them out by hand, just like that, and do all 6 of them. Once you get your old plugs out, visually compare, make sure the thread size looks the same, make sure the plug looks the same, and as you can see by this one, that is extremely worn out, ready to be replaced. So we'll get these put in. All right, once you got all 6 spark plugs in there and torqued to spec, put your coil back on, rerun your hoses where they belong, and fire it up. And there you go, the tune-up is complete on the 2004 Grand Cherokee. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out a couple of these videos here on the right, or hit the subscribe button on the left. Thanks for watching. See you next week.